Choose the incorrect statement. Option A, NF3 less than NCl3 less than NBr3 less than Ni3. Lewis basic strength. That means from NF3 to Ni3, Lewis basic strength is increasing. Here, why NF3 is having less Lewis basic strength when compared with NCl3, NBr3 and Ni3? Because in NF3, fluorine electronegativity is more. Fluorine is more electronegative. If the electronegativity of the halogen is more, the bond pair of electrons will shift more and more towards the halogen. If the bond pair of electrons shifts more and more towards the halogen, what will happen? The availability of lone pair on nitrogen decreases. If the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen decreases, basic strength, Lewis basic strength also decreases. So, if the electronegativity of the halogen is more, the bond pair of electrons shifts towards more and more shifts towards the halogen. So, availability of the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom for donation decreases. Because of that, Lewis basic strength decreases. So, because of this reason, NF3 is having less Lewis basic strength when compared with NCl3, NBr3 and Ni3. So, because of that reason only, from NF3 to NCl3 and then NBr3, Ni3, Lewis basic strength is increasing because electronegativity of the halogen decreases. If the electronegativity of the halogen decreases, the shift of the bond pair of electrons towards the halogen decreases. If it decreases, availability of lone pair of electrons and nitrogen increases for donation. So, Lewis basic strength increases. So, option A is correct. Next, in option B, in hydrolysis of SbCl3, the addition of HCl, excess of HCl suppresses the hydrolysis by shifting the equilibrium to the left. SbCl3 on hydrolysis, it will form SbOCl, that is antimony oxychloride, plus 2HCl. Here HCl is a product. So, if excess of HCl is added, HCl is a product. If excess of HCl is added, according to the Le-Chatellier principle, if the product concentration increases, rate of backward reaction increases. If the rate of backward reaction increases, equilibrium will shift in the backward direction, that is towards left. If the equilibrium shifts towards left side, automatically hydrolysis of the SbCl3 decreases. So, as the HCl concentration increases, rate of backward reaction increases. So, because of that, hydrolysis of the SbCl3 suppresses or decreases. So, option B is also correct, as the addition of the excess of HCl suppresses the hydrolysis by shifting the equilibrium towards left. Next, option C, NF3 does not undergo hydrolysis. Yes, because there is no d orbitals in nitrogen and fluorine. That is one reason, due to the absence of the d orbitals in nitrogen and fluorine. And second reason is NF bond strength is high. Due to the high bond strength of NF bond, NF3 cannot undergo hydrolysis. So, here option C is also correct. And option D, thermal stability of PCl3 less than PCl5. But actually, pentahalides are thermally less stable than their corresponding trihalides. Pentahalides are thermally less stable than their corresponding trihalides. Here, PCl5 is less stable than PCl3. So, PCl5 undergoes dissociation to form PCl3 plus Cl2. Okay. So, here the given statement thermal stability of PCl3 is less than PCl5 is wrong, because Pentahalides are thermally less stable than their corresponding trihalides, and PCl5 undergoes decomposition to form PCl3 and Cl2. That is why PCl5 behaves as good chlorinating agent. Okay, so here option D is wrong, option A, B, C are correct.